Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be making a hair strengthening leave-in spray using henna powder, amla powder, and of course aloe vera juice. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So what you're going to need in this video is some warm water, your favorite essential oil. I'm going to be using peppermint oil. I got this from Dollar Tree, and it has peppermint oil and sweet almond oil. You're also going to need a spray bottle, which I also got from Dollar Tree, and some aloe vera juice. I got my aloe vera from Publix. Some amla powder, which I got from a local Indian grocery store, and some henna powder, which I got from Amazon. So first I'm going to start with a spoonful of henna powder, and then I'm going to follow that up with a spoonful of amla powder. So I don't know why I put the powder into a coffee filter when I could have just put it into the mug, but don't really mind this part. Just put the powder into the warm water. So I went ahead and put the powders into the warm water, and I'm just going to add some more warm water because at this point the water kind of cooled down. So I just went and heated up some more water in the microwave, and I'm just going to stir everything up, and then I'm just going to let it sit while I make the aloe vera juice. So to make the aloe vera juice is really very simple. All you need is an aloe vera leaf, which I got from Publix, and then you're just going to cut it up into smaller pieces, and then you're just gonna cut those pieces in half. And as you can see, the jelly on the inside, we're gonna go ahead and just scoop that up with a spoon. Once I'm done scooping out the insides of the aloe vera leaf, I'm just going to put it into a blender, and I'm just going to blend it really well, and then from there I'm just going to put it through a sifter, and then you have your aloe vera juice. So now that the amla and henna mixture has been sitting for about 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and grab a mason jar and place some cheesecloth on the top with a rubber band, so that way I can separate the henna powder from the mixture. You don't want to put this directly on your hair because it'll just feel like there's sand on your hair. So you definitely want to use like a cheesecloth, or I think you could use a stocking cap as well, to kind of separate the powder from the mixture. And yeah, I made kind of a mess. I didn't realize how much I was pouring in because I was looking at the camera and not at what I was doing. But it's all cool. I put some napkins down. It'll be all right. Now I'm going to grab a spray bottle, and I'm just going to pour the henna and amla mixture into the spray bottle, and then I'm going to follow up with the aloe vera juice. So this container that the peppermint is in is actually a roll-on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop the little ball out of it, and then as you can see there's a little hole right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a few drops of the peppermint oil into the mixture as well. So the peppermint oil is definitely going to add stimulation to your scalp, and it's going to provide blood flow to your scalp, which is going to help definitely with the hair growth process. And then the henna is going to help with the strengthening of your hair. So if there's some weak spots in your hair, the henna helps to fill in those weak spots to strengthen your hair. And then amla is a Indian secret hair growth type of powder. And yeah, so I feel like, and then of course, you know, aloe vera has its healing properties, and it has a whole lot of vitamins in it. So the combination of all these ingredients definitely will get your hair growing, and it will definitely help to stimulate your scalp, and also will help to strengthen your hair. I will add more information into the description box, so you guys want to check that out. And I'll also try to do my best to leave links to these ingredients in the description box as well. So I'm going to be using this as a leave-in, so I won't be washing this out. I think this is the best way to use this mixture, but if you want to, you can use it as a pre-poo. You can put it in your hair before you not shower, but before you shampoo your hair, or before you put in your conditioner, and then you can go ahead and wash it out. But if you're going to use it as a leave-in, I would suggest also following up with an oil. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.